Alright guys, hope you all doing well. Today I will show you what you guys should know before starting Harvard CS50. So in this video I will tell you what are the things you can do to make your stuff better, what are the things you should be prepared of, what you need to do so your journey be a little bit easier compared to what I don't know before starting. So before starting you come to the page which is CS50 from the Harvard Introduction to Computer Science. Here, usually on the left side, the first section, you always have these weeks which tells you which things you've been studying and how you can get there. So these are all hyperlinks, in which means you can go to them directly. So if you just click on that, open a link or new tab, or you just click on that directly, you can go to them. So for example, if I go to C, so C is one of the low-level languages which has been teach in the way you can understand more in depth about how computer works. So in this videos, David is going to show you how you use the command line interface, how you type code, and how you can use different operators to get the things done. So in this section, it tells all this information about that. After you click on the week one, it will open a new page where you just see this information here, and you see all those values here telling what it is, what they are. So there are short videos as well to help you to know that some stuff like data type, operators, conditional statements, which you don't know, you can open them as well, and which will tell you all this information, and also have a video which is going to show you what they are. And I also have on YouTube as well in case, and some transcriptions and subtitles which helps you to know better about those stuff. But after you're done with the videos, after you understand all the concept, you have learned that, what you can do, you can practice those problems, or you can be smart enough to jump straight to the problem set, which I would say is not good. Just always practice those. And let's just hypothetically assuming you have done the problems, then you go to the problem set, sorry, to the practice, and you go to the problem. After you get to the problem, there are these few types of problem provided. So how it does work is you have to log into a GitHub account. So one thing, you need to have a GitHub account to get started, so you can work with those files and you can upload it. So GitHub is like a source code repository kind, in which you upload your code and that been given to the test, and that test have to pass, so then you will get your scores valid. So for example, if I do with the Mario feeling less comfortable, I open this problem. After opening this problem, I realized these are the few values. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is too much. Don't worry, it's just simple code asking you how to get started. It's gonna be pretty much for all these problems out here, but it's just once you understand, you'll catch all of them. So always try to open in a new tab. I recommend a VS Code, so you can have a separate page as well. So then you press log into it. And after you do it, I am not gonna do it because I'm already open, so I will use my problem here. So just how I do, left side is your panel bar, a sidebar in which you can put your information. So here you can go and type, for example, a new folder. I will always recommend you to do it because it helps me to understand where my files are and how to get there and all the stuff. So you can also use this button. This is for the new file and for the new folder. So I will say right click on the tab and just press new folder, for example, and I say maybe lesson C, so it's like a telling me what I'm studying and where am I. And then from here you can open this. What you can do, if you go right click it and say open integrated terminal, it will open the terminal over here for you, which is always in the bottom. In case you can't find it, you can press Control Shift tilde. So tilde is the key tab above the tab bar, which is above the caps lock as well in most keyboard. So if you press all these three together, this will open it. Tricky thing is that it doesn't open the right page you wanted, so you see all these files. So you can do a trick. So you just click on the page and press open integrated terminal. Now you're directly here. So from here, it's pretty much, you have to copy these commands. So for example, I say copy, and if I just put this one here, paste it. Alrighty, I think I've done something wrong, sorry. If I just say copy, and then if you press the right click, the command will be pasted and executed itself, so you don't have to worry. Now I can see this file has been created here, Mario less zip. So now what I have to do, I have to run the second command, which will unzip it. Yeah, and then follow the third one to remove that zip file which is not needed anymore, and you press Y or yes, whichever one you like, and press enter. Now the file of zip is removed and Mario is there. Mario C comes with these two files itself, and where you can write your code and get started from here. And here what you can do, you can go into the Mario less page itself. So now you see again it have a Mario less folder when you have to get it. So if I press ls, it will show me Mario ls folder. I can press cd and press Mario ls and then press enter and get it too. You can press tab and write the first word of that for the folder or the file, and then you press tab, it will directly open it, and you can press enter and go to there. Or you can do the easier way, just press the open integrated terminal, which will open the window for you. Always try to remove the windows which we are not using, so you know where you are. So now you press ls. So sweet. So now this all file is done. I know what's going on, and now I just want to see how to make it work. So what you can do is you can say print f, and you can type something. Most commonly people type hello world, or you can type anything you like. So then you do it. Now you have to say, because the file is already created, I will say make Mario. So now it's gonna make me a file of Mario in 1 second. Voila. And then I press ./Mario and press enter. So as you can see, it's saying hello world. I should have print in the next line. So if I press it now, it should print me hello world. Sweet. There you go. So this is the few things you keep in your mind, like how to get to your code, how you should structure your files, what you should know before starting. And it's pretty much all the most of the contents are in the code problem itself. So for example, if I would be going to solve this problem here, which is Mario, I have the situations which telling me what I need to do, what the output should be look like. And this is a walkthrough video which I will always recommend to watch it before doing it. Try to give it a test to do it by yourself, write in some piece of paper or some notes in which you know what you're doing. So this is also the prompting input which is wrong, so it can't be any of these value, for example, other than the 4, which is between 1 to 8. So then how you will building this all stuff and all this information. This is a few hints. You also can watch the hints over here which is telling it. So there you go. Alrighty guys, and from now on I will keep making a few videos, so I will try to help you with the problems if you can't get it. So in the next video I will show you how you can do Mario less comfortable version, and also other problems as well. And I will really appreciate if you guys can click the subscribe button, like, and comment if anything you like about the video, or if any problems you're facing or any videos you want me to make. I'll be more than happy to. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you guys. And yeah, best of luck. Bye.